Hi everyone, this is just a quick overview of how you can access the online materials in your class. Recently, you've received an email that looks like this. The username is no reply, and the message invites you to create your portal account. Click the Setup link option to get started. The CEI portal is used to connect students with their courses. Click the middle choice to create a new account and press the Next button. Enter your information. Click Next again, and you can now enter your username and password. Click the Login button to access the portal, but you might find that your course isn't there yet. It can take up to an hour for the course to appear in your portal, which is why it's good to do this process before your first class if possible. After you've waited a little while, your portal will change to reflect the classes you're enrolled in. Before we visit the courses, I want to let you know that if you have any trouble logging in the future, select the Forgot Password option to get an email with a reminder on your username and a link to reset your password. Okay, let's get into the class. Click your course tile and you'll be automatically logged into Schoology. The first page you see will be your Updates section, where you'll see announcements from your teachers. Most of your course tools can be located along the left-hand side, including materials, where you'll find your course content, assignments, and tests. Note the Resources section as well, where you can upload documents, videos, and assignments to save for later, as well as connect apps like the Google Drive and Dropbox, so that you can more conveniently share work with your professors. And that is the very basic overview of Schoology. If you want more info, you can find tutorial videos and articles at support.schoology.com. Have a great day.